welcome back. I'm Rain. Welcome to NaturallyCurlz, and today's video is another haul video. This one is from Mented Cosmetics. I have been wanting to try them for so long, and I finally did. I decided to go with a make your own trio, so I got to choose I chose three matte lipsticks. And Mented Cosmetics is a Black-owned brand meant for Black and brown skin. I mean, everyone can wear it, but it was created to help with finding, that perfect shade of nude, for us. So, but recently they did launch a red line, so I'm also going to go back and try that. I know they also have highlighter and eyeshadow, so I think they have a gloss line as well, all of which I want to try. I pretty much love them right now. So the make your own trio, I chose three. I chose Dope Top, which is currently the one I'm wearing right now. This is what they all look like, and this is Dope Top. And this one they're all matte, and it has it's a combination of brown and pink, but for me it's a little bit on the browner side for me, because you can it shows on their website how all the shades of their colors look on different shades, so check it out. I also bought the Dark Night, which I am also loving. This is a very dark brown. And I have also gotten the Nude La La, which is very light. And yeah, so this is definitely a website I will be coming back to. So be forewarned, there are definitely going to be more videos about Mented hauls, and I can't wait for that. So definitely check them out. I'll leave the link in the description below. And what's your color? I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.